Hey guys, today we are going to make a video for the unboxing of concealed shell system. Let's start it. This time what we are using is white box. The brown box is also fine watercolor. When opening the box, the first thing we can see is instruction manual. All parts are packaged into PE foam, well protected. The first flower is overhead shell, 12-inch. Stainless steel, high quality colored. So heavy. And the second flower is sheer on. Look. Sheer holder. A cube. Guess what it is. Now let's move to the third flower. The first one thing is shear house. The normal length is 1.5 meters. The value handle, high quality. The accessory all in one bag. Two decorative covers, one for shell arm, one for shell holder. Now it's our handheld shell, mini and cute. Last but not at least, the most important part is mixing volume. There are a plastic cover to protect both ends. The inner material you can see is high quality brass. Cold water, hot water, mixed underwater to protect you from being scared by sudden changes. The very decorative cover. Now I assembled the value and see how it works. Oh, you can see the cube again and the handle. So for a whole concealed shell system, all are here. Thanks for watching. For more information, please contact us. Bye.